Bebenew Proof Wet Bag, 12 by 9 by 2 inches, washable, by Bebenew is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. The manufacturer's durable and stylish wet bags are great for wet items. Toys, snacks, bottles, swimwear, gym clothes and many more. Comes with a sturdy handle for easy carrying. Bebenew wet bags are high quality, soft, cute, and ideal for just any use. 1. The manufacturer provide 30-day return and replacement service. 2. The manufacturer provides 7 times 24 HS customer service. Any question, please contact them on Amazon. 50% polyurethane laminate cotton. Material: outer layer, pull, polyurethane laminate, cotton, inner layer, polyester with a waterproof coating embedded into the fabric. Package detail: 1 PCS wet bags. Easy to clean. The manufacturer's fabric is wipeable and machine washable. Turn inside out to wash. To extend the life of the manufacturer's reusable bags, the manufacturer recommend air drying the manufacturer's quick dry fabric. No use of iron or extremely hot water. Multifunctional bags. Enough space to carry your items. They can be used as diaper wet bags, travel bags, storage bags, cosmetic bags, handbags, wash bags, organizer bags. Stylish design. The beautiful gender-neutral design with rich in color and pattern.